In today's video, I'll show you how to configure email in Freshsales so you can manage all your conversations directly inside your CRM. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to the Freshsales website. Log in using your account credentials and make sure you're signing into the correct workspace. Once you're inside the Freshsales dashboard, look toward the top corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This usually appears as your initials or a small avatar. A menu will open up from there. From this menu, select Connect your email. You can also go through profile or personal settings, but choosing Connect your email takes you there faster. On the email setup page, choose your email provider. Freshsales supports popular services like Gmail and Outlook, and the setup steps will adjust automatically based on the provider you select. After choosing your provider, you'll be asked to select your sync preference. You'll usually see two options here. One-way sync allows emails to appear inside Freshsales without syncing anything back to your inbox. Two-way sync keeps everything fully synchronized, meaning emails sent or received will appear both in Freshsales and in your email account. Most users prefer two-way sync for complete visibility. After selecting your sync option, follow the authorization steps. This typically means signing into your email account and allowing Freshsales permission to access your emails. Once authorization is complete, click Save to apply your settings. And that's it. Your email is now successfully configured in Freshsales, allowing you to send, receive, and track emails directly from your CRM. This setup helps keep all customer communication organized in one place and saves you time switching between tools. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore more Freshsales tutorials to get the most out of your CRM.